How to update Cricut Design Space. Step 1. Open your Cricut Design Space. Note, if the app is already opened and you're working on a project, save it first. Step 2. Click on the bell icon next to your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Find the latest update notification. Step 4. Open the update notification. Step 5. In the Update Available pop-up, click on Install Now. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.